Why am I not confident? Actually, sinasabi nila mas madali lang dapat eh. And there's nothing easy when you're trying or when you are starting. It will be harder than what you think it is. Okay? Unless magaling ka na talaga sa English, then it wouldn't be a problem. But you have to identify what blockages do you have in order for you to say it right. Hindi ka ba marunong sa English? You have to say it to yourself na hindi ako marunong sa English. So that means you have to find a solution. Maybe, bili ka ng dictionary. Or if hindi ka bili ng dictionary, download ka ng ChatGPT, mag-record ka ng sarili mo, tanungin mo siya, what do you think about my accent? So, gawin mo siyang assistant mo. Or, better, download Google. And then, doon sa Google, hanap ka ng Google Translate. And then, pakinggan mo yung mga words mo every time you say it. That way, you can gauge what's the problem. Why am I not getting it? Maybe you have been a virtual assistant for like a year or two, and then you wanted to improve, but then hindi ka maka-improve kasi nga I'm really scared with my accent kasi nga I'm not learning the way people did. And again, iba-iba tayong level when it comes to like talking. But I always make sure na kung ano yung blockages ko. Maybe I'm afraid of like talking to other people. Magaling ako mag-English pero I'm afraid of like talking to other people. Baka magkamali ako. Then you have to find a solution. Okay, so what it means ba when you say identify the blockage. So you might feel shy because you don't like how you sound. So that's why you need to find your tone first. Record yourself and then recorrect yourself by finding Google Translate. Then when you correct yourself, walang nakakalam nun, ikaw lang. And you don't have to be very hard on yourself. We're here for you if you need help. So, or if you're unsure about the grammar or scared to make mistakes, and again, that's normal. All you have to do, go to Google Translate, download ChatGPT, ask ChatGPT, what do you think about my voice? Ganon. So, okay, what's your action steps on top of that? So, yung action steps mo would be write down what makes you feel nervous, then list what you can improve. So yun, para meron kang listahan. Oh, okay. So nag-improve ako sa word na community. So I know how to say it before community, parang ganyan. So you have to understand what was the problem and then find a solution by creating a list. So ganun siya. And example, so I feel nervous when speaking English because I'm afraid of mispronouncing words like schedule or client. Maybe you say schedule or client. You say those words again and again. When you listen to Google Translate, client, it's not the word. It's actually the tone of voice. Client, it's actually the tone. But when you are changing your tone like this, when you are putting emotions to your words, like client. So I'm happy when I'm saying that. But when I say client, so it's like more of not happy and then parang nagpa-frown or parang nagda-down yung voice ko. So you have to be very careful when finding your tone. And then practice it. It could be 5 times in a day, but if you don't have time to practice it, maybe each time na meron kang gawin, gamitin mo siya. So when I talk to the client, like say for example, I'm really interested in getting a client or gusto ko talaga magka-client. Like ulit-ulitin mo siya. Gusto ko talaga ma-set up yung schedule ko. My schedule has been very hectic lately or hectic masyado yung schedule ko lately. So ulit-ulitin mo siya. So, until na masanay ka talaga.